Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be doing this ombre rainbow look. So if you're interested to see how I got these gorgeous polygel nails, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing a review and demo of this Macart House of Florists kit. And I know I'm late to this, but I don't know, I just didn't try this exactly when it came out and I wanted to try something new, so I just thought this would be fun. And the kit comes with 100 and 180 grit file. It comes with a cute like thank you for shopping with us card, instructions of course, which are very easy and clear to follow. Comes with a box of dual forms which are very well packaged, and I was surprised to see that there's two shapes. You got a nice curved round type of nail and a nice flat one, so I'll definitely be trying the flat one since I've not tried that yet. Comes with your standard base top coat and also your dual-ended polygel brush. So these are all the shades that come with this kit. There's about 12, and I'm going to be sharing the names and showing you each color. So this is the first shade, and it's just a nice bright yellow. The next shade is this beautiful green. I will have the shade names on the screen because some of these I just cannot say, so yes, but all these shades are absolutely beautiful, as you can see. And when I was applying these to my nails, I found that some of these looked a bit more pastel, but they were absolutely beautiful. I have like pretty much nothing bad to say about this whole kit. It was just really good and really worth the money. Yes, it is slightly on the higher end side, but you're getting 12 polygels, and the amount of looks that you can create with these shades is absolutely amazing. So yes, I did wish it came with a clear, but that's no big deal. So now I'm just using the Macart base coat to start my normal polygel application process. So I already prepped my nails and I'm applying a thin layer of base coat to my nails. This base coat is 8 mils. And then I'm using tips today, so I'm going to apply a tiny bit of base coat onto the tips, and I basically put that on my nail and then cure that under my light. I'm just going to show you here since I didn't show the thumb. So I'm putting in some into that little well of the tip and then putting that on my nail and then curing that under the light. And I really like this method because it's just so much easier and it's like mess free compared to nail glue. I also do find that it is easier to remove the nails with gel compared to nail glue as well, and it's also less damaging to the nails. So I'm just going to finish off applying those. These tips were from AliExpress, I believe. They were so old, like I just found them and I thought I want to give these tips another go. And now I love them. I don't know why I put them away, but here we are. So I just trimmed down the tips a little bit, and I'm going in with this red polygel because I wanted to go for like a rainbow type of nail. And I'm using the base coat as slip solution because after changing from acetone or rubbing alcohol to this, it's been like such a game changer. Like it's so quick to do nails like this, and I didn't know. I don't know why I didn't know. And yeah, I just saw it one day on the Macart website and I gave it a shot and it was absolutely amazing. I also know that Femi Beauty does this as well because I have seen her videos. I absolutely love them. And that's it. I just basically put on that red on one half of the tip, and then as you saw, I kind of did a bit of a blending motion. You'll see it on the other nails where I like to make sure that where the two colors will meet is nice and blended, so that they transition into each other very nicely. And this polygel, as all Macart polygels, are very soft and easy to work with. I really like their consistency and I really like their base coat. As always, I will be linking all the products that I'm using down below. And I also want to take this time to tell you guys that I am a brand ambassador for Macart. No, they did not send me this. I did purchase this with my own money, and I would like to give you guys a discount code, which is Nails by Kamin. I will have it in the description box below, and it will give you 15% off your purchase. That's 15. And yeah, if you do use that code, I will make a really small commission, but that does not come from you. It's just a way of Makat saying thank you for sharing our products, pretty much. So yeah, I'm basically doing that with now the yellow and the green, and as you can tell, the green has looks a bit more pastel, and that's absolutely fine. I really like how there's a good mix. You can definitely go with a nice pastel look with this, which I definitely feel like I might want to do, so let me know down in the description box below. And also, I am really interested to try out those new flat dual forms. They're probably not new, but they are new to me, so let me know down below if you want me to do a video using this kit with those dual forms. I will be more than happy. And also turn on your post notifications, because I will be doing another Makat polygel kit review and demo, and it's, well, I'm not going to say which one it is, but yes, do stay tuned for that, because it is very, very exciting as well. And as you can see, as I'm working with these polygels, they're just very easy to work with. They're blending into each other so well, and I really, at this point, was I was so happy I put these, because I don't know if you have noticed, but the polygels that I have been using were mostly pink shades, because that's just what I had. And I then bought this, and it was the shade range is just so amazing. I now feel like I can create different types of looks, so definitely let me know down below if there's any kind of look or design you want me to try, especially with the dual forms, and I will be more than happy to consider that. And I also want to take this time to say thank you to everyone who subscribes. It really means a lot to me, and it really helps my channel grow. If you are getting anything from this video, or you're just enjoying it, then please do hit the like button. It will really help me out. And yes, don't forget to subscribe if you would like to. I will be very happy for you to check out all my other videos, which are also polygel and some acrylic videos as well, and also some demos and reviews of other products that I like to try. So moving on to the last finger, I wasn't sure what combination to do since I had used most of the colors, so I kind of went for that red on the thumb, because I thought it would look good in pictures, and yeah, that's why I did that. And now that that's done, I've cured each layer for about 60 seconds. So I've done one shade and then cured, and then did the other and then cured for 60. So yeah, so that I don't move everything around too much. And now I'm going in with this shade. It's a nice nude. I didn't notice it, and then I saw it and I was like, maybe I could probably use this, and it's in the same kit, so that's absolutely amazing. And as I started to work with it, it looked really good, so I just kept going with it, as you can see. So yes, you've also got a nice nail bed color. I know this might not suit all skin tones, but it is here for those people that it does suit, so which is also very nice. And what I'm doing here is just applying a majority of it to as the apex, and then I'm dragging the edge of the polygel, as you can see now, ever so slightly down the nail, and the more I drag down, it kind of fades into those colors, so it creates a really nice kind of ombre. So we've got a lot of ombre going on in this nail look, but I'm still trying to keep it a little bit simple, nothing too crazy. I just wanted the focus to be on these polygel shades, which are absolutely amazing, and the quality of polygel for this kit, or with pretty much all Makat polygel, is very, very good. So if you are looking to buy some good polygel, then Makat is the way to go. They are also available on Amazon if you are interested in that. And then I'm just finishing off this thumb, and as you can tell, it's quite easy to blend. and I am going to cure this again for 60 seconds. Now in today's video I did decide to keep my filing in, so here we go. I'm using my kind of round cone shape bit from this drill bit set I got from Amazon, which is absolutely amazing. It's really good, like definitely check that out. And I'm using that to basically smooth over the top, which I've done pretty smooth anyway, but I just like to go over it. And I'm also fixing the free edge and the sidewalls a bit, but I will be going in with my hand file after, just to crispen up those edges. And I absolutely love this bit. It's like I'm pretty sure it's a coarse bit, but it's like an in-between of a coarse and a medium bit, but it works perfectly with polygel. I probably could have got away with like a fine drill bit, but I feel like some of these nails were a little bit uneven, so I just wanted to file those down quicker. And with Macabre polygel, and usually most gel products, they're quite easy to file. If you do want like a more in-depth how to file or use your e-file on just general filing, then let me know down in the comments, because I am considering doing one as well, but I'm not too sure if people kind of want to see that yet. So let me know if you do, and I might be a bit more encouraged to do it for you guys. But yeah, I'm just finishing these off. I absolutely love this bit. If you're not confident with your e-filing skills, then you can definitely use a fine safety bit, which is basically cut off the top and it's like round and smooth, so even if it does touch your skin, it won't cut you or hurt you, and you can go at a low speed and just work to the speed that you're comfortable at. So yeah, that's definitely a good starting point. Again, let me know if you would like me to do that kind of video, and I most definitely will. Now I'm taking the Macabre 180 grit side of the file, and I'm just crispening up that shape, because I feel like I can't really get those really straight edges with the e-file. So I'm also going over the surface to make sure that it's all nice and smooth. And by the way, I did buff off camera just because it was super quick. It was just like really quickly buffing all over every nail. And the Macabre files are very good also. They last like a good couple weeks, I would say, before I feel like I need to change them out. But every kit does come with a file, so yeah, that's also a good plus. And here I'm just making sure that all the nails are like the same shape. I feel like this one was a little bit on the wider side, but I don't think you can tell too much. Let me know if you can. And yeah, I'm just so far just happy with the nails. I didn't take too much time, making sure that the free edge is nice and straight as well. I love a good straight free edge. And yeah, then once I'm done, I'm just basically wiping away the dust, and I'm wiping away the extra dust as well with acetone. That's what I had lying around. It's what I use the most, and I'm just making sure to get it all out of like near my cuticle area, because dust can definitely get stuck there. Then I'm taking the Macabre top coat, and I'm just top coating the nails off, and I absolutely love the top coating process of nails. It's just so satisfying, and it just, I don't know, it just makes me feel really good about my work and like what is on my nail. I just really enjoy this bit. It's probably my most favorite bit. And yeah, I'm just gonna top coat everything. I really enjoyed these nails. I think they look super cute, super simple. I feel like I could have definitely done some like black nail art, some kind of like butterflies or something on the nude bit. I think that would have been really nice, but I wanted to keep it mainly on this polygel and the product, which yeah, it definitely is. And yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. I will be curing this top coat for 60 seconds in my UV lamp, and I will also be applying some cuticle oil. This is from the Body Shop, and it's just basically almond oil. I will link another one that I use because this one's like only UK only. If you're from the UK, you probably know what the Body Shop is. And yeah, I'm just finishing off that thumb, and this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. This was super fun to film. Remember, use my code nailedbyk to get 15% off your Macart purchases from macart.com. And let me know what you think of these nails down below. Would you try these? Have you found this video to be helpful? And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.